Hello everybody and welcome to this video tutorial that's going to show you how to change your VPN server and your country of origin for NordVPN using OPENVPN in DD WRT. So on my configurations, my IP address of the modem is 192.168.222.1. The usual password that I use is admin, and the username is admin, and the password is admin also. When you log into the modem, head over to the services menu, and then head over to the VPN menu. And as you scroll down, you'll see the OpenVPN client options. Now, let's say, for example, I want to change this server and not originate from Ireland. So what I would do is I would visit the global VPN server list on Nord's website, and I would, for example, let's say choose the Greece server. So I copy the address of the Greek server, and I go back to DDWRD and I paste that address into the server name. But there's another step to do. The next thing you need to do is change the two types of certificates being used, the TLS, authoritative certificate key, and the CA certificate. Now, these certificates are found by logging into your NordVPN account, going to downloads, and you'll find a file called CA. Sorry, not that window, this one. So you'll find a file called CA and TLS authoritative certificates. And what you have to do is when you open up this archive, in this case I'm using WinRAR, you'll find all the servers listed here. In this case I wanted the Greece server, so I would scroll until I find the GR1 server that we wanted. So we've got two files, the cert and the key. So the first one, what we will need to do is right click on this and view the file, and this is the certificate file, and we Control A to select all of this and Control C to copy it, and we'll head over to the CA cert section because we're doing the certificate CA, and we erase everything by choosing Control A, press delete to wipe it out, and paste the new code into that box. And then we do the next certificate, which is the TLS key. We view that file. We then see this. We Control A, Control C, and then we go back to the top here, and under TLS authoritative key, we Control A, delete what we have there, and we paste. And that basically changes the server that you will be originating from. In this case it was configured to Ireland, and now it will change it to Greece. To complete the settings, you just need to click on Save, and then you need to click on Apply Settings. We ignore this Remember Password shenanigans, and we then scroll back down to the bottom and hit Apply Settings. And that in theory has changed the configuration for the VPN server. Now I'm going to cover two more things. The next one is if you want to change your username and password under the OpenVPN, whatever you might have here for your username and your password, you just have to type in a new password in this box, and once again scroll down to the bottom, click on Save and Apply Settings, and that changes your login details. The other thing I'm going to cover is your wireless. By default, DDWRT outputs a open, non-encrypted, non-password protected Wi-Fi connection. By clicking on the wireless menu and on the basic settings, the first thing you can do is change the Wi-Fi name. You can customize it to whatever you want, and then again click on Save and Apply Settings. And then to add the password for your Wi-Fi, head over to wireless security and scroll down to WPA to personal. And once again, in here, we choose TKIPAES, which is slightly better encryption, and we type in whatever your Wi-Fi password you want it to be. And then you hit save and apply settings. So there you go. That's how to log into your modem, uh, change VPN servers, change your username and password if you need to, and set a wireless access point name with a wireless encryption key. Thank you very much for watching and take care.